Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Crypto Technical Analysis, episode 50, the big 50. That's super awesome. Today we're going to go into doing a screenshot and trying to share that screenshot. There'll probably be a few different ways that we want to do this. It's probably going to be taking the screenshot and just sharing the image is one way, and then taking the screenshot and uploading it to a server and then sharing that link. So I could have a few different cases. Like there are sharing to social media, which is like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I don't know if Snapchat would be that valuable, but maybe Snap. And then sharing with a link. So this would be sharing screenshot. And then upload to server and share with friends using a link. So those are the cases. So one thing I also want to do is optimize the screenshot capability to fit well with Instagram, at least, because that's my media platform. I think that will be best for showing these graphs. I haven't really been doing it much on Facebook. Maybe I'll try to do that too next. So I don't know how much time I'm going to do today. I woke up a little bit later than normal. I was a little bit tired, and today's my birthday, so that's pretty cool. Big 29. So a lot of super exciting things. Doing this app has been so much fun. A couple months ago I became a software manager at my job and trying to push some interesting changes. One thing is we've been using this tool for configuration management called Rational Team Concert that is based from IBM, and it does a decent job, but one of the core issues we have is saving review artifacts, because since I'm in the aviation industry, we have tight regulations on when an auditor comes in, they can recreate and show that this thing has been reviewed and all this stuff, and it's just something that tool can't handle. And so I'm trying to make a really big push on moving to GitHub Enterprise, so something that G has their own server, hosts the files and stuff like that. One of the issues that we have going on with that, though, is it doesn't really support if we have like a military contract and saving the data. It's called license required data. So the foreign nationals can't really access it, or if they can, it's the servers like in the United States and only maintained by U.S. personnel. So it's a complex things, but making a lot of changes. I'm trying to impact like the business pretty big, so that's kind of cool. So yeah, take that little detour and we'll get back into it. Let's see. So yeah, so we're probably going to do a few searching online things, because I have not... Oh, one thing I want to do is share this on Facebook. I'll take this opportunity to have visibility on Facebook since it's my birthday, to get people this attention. YouTube has been really slow. I don't know if it's my internet. Live streaming, let's do it. Okay, dashboard. Yes, I should be streaming live. Here we go. Basic info. Come on. I'll be real fast, I think. I'm trying to get to my channel. Okay, there we go. Dashboard videos. It's really slow. My channel. There we go. Here we go. Now I can go post it on Facebook. Okay, there we go, that's done. Now we're gonna go into research. Research mode, we're gonna do how do we do screenshots. I think there's certain things we have to do for permissions. So Android, how to do screen shots programmatically. User permission, write external storage. It's like a screenshot of the view. This is how you open the recently generated image. A screenshot and share. That looks like it might be. Taking a screenshot, my current activity. There we go. Okay, this one looks really good. We can add these to the Android manifest. So we'll go. Oh, I didn't have it on full screen. Sorry. So this is a really nice overstack flow. How to take a screenshot and share it programmatically. Oh, right here. No, this one, sorry. This one. Create a share button, share to your menu, which I can manually do that, that's fine. Set up callback, know how to do that, that's easy. And then there's the two calls, the screenshot, which, let's see, does it have screenshot, and then save, and then, yeah, the share intent. So share saved, and then add these two permissions. Okay, so let's do that. Is not working on Marshmallow. Please pay attention. Okay, yeah. Let's add these permissions. I'm gonna put this on the side on another screen. Oh, that's really far over there. So, in the manifest, Android manifest, we want to add these two permissions. Don't really like adding too many permissions because then people maybe question what you're trying to do. But maybe I can make that clear somehow. So we have these two permissions: write to external storage and read to external storage. And then we can do a share icon, I think part of our menu item. Let's look at let's turn off full menu, full screen. Let's look at here. We're getting pretty slim on our size. Amount of like space. I did mess with this a little bit to make sure that it fits all on them. Not sure where we want to put the share. If we want to put the share over here. Maybe we will. So part of the menu, maybe we want to insert a image view. Resources, project, maybe not project, Android. Share, should be share, there we go. And so we're gonna add the context of a few constraints. So this one has the left of, right to the left of, this will be right to the left of the spinner time period. So right to the left of spinner time period. And then we also want to have parent to parent, or bottom to bottom of parent, and then top to top of parent. Okay. Which actually might work out well. If it's a larger icon, it might get a little bigger than it might make this ribbon a little bigger, which is not a bad thing because this menu thing right here is a little small. So let's just play this and see what happens. So then here we would have to be adding not an overlay, not the chart style in the main activity. because that's the bottom of the run. So over here, we're going to add a function. Add function to save. Screenshot shot of you. What was the other? And to add function to take screenshot. So let's do that. And I'm just going to copy what we have from our Stack Overflow. Hopefully it doesn't crash on me. Bitmap screenshot view. We can change this because it did not do conversion very well. Let's just do private function, screen shot, and it takes a view and it turns then var bitmap equals bitmap dot create bitmap view dot get width, or just do width, and then view dot height, and then bitmap config dot argb 888 looks like argb, and then after that, oh yeah, we need to import, but no, looks like it's okay. And then canvas, or no, canvas, okay, var canvas. These are vowels. These are vowels. They're not changed. Canvas equals canvas bitmap. No bitmap. Like that. And then it'll be view dot draw canvas, and then return bitmap. There we go. That was fun. Okay, that share button was there. Pretty good, I think. This doesn't kind of goes a little bit bigger, but that's okay. We should really like set minimum width to a certain size so we get a standard. We'll work on that later, but we'll throw in some of these functions and see what we can handle this today. So then we have our screenshot function, so we can delete that and then add our add function to save the screenshot in the view, which will be save bitmap. Private function save bitmap. So this, I'm referencing the Stack Overflow on the other page, so I'm just going to be jamming it out, so don't worry about it. So bitmap is a bitmap, and then file name is a string. So return anything, it returns a string, a file. So val path string equals environment. Oh shoot. Gonna include this. Okay, we got that. environment dot get external storage directory dot get absolute path. Okay, absolute path, we got that. And then we have directory val or val directory equals file path. So create our path, and then we check to see if this path exists. If it doesn't exist, we want to create it. Whoops, down. And dang it, where did I go? There we go. Must have went up twice. Make directories. Make directories. And then, so we make our path, we make our directory, then we want to create a file. Do we change any file? No. Val file equals file directory and file name. Where's file name? File name, like that. And then we have a try block, and then with a catch of exception. I really dig in Kotlin. It's just super nice. And then we return a file. So within our try catch block, we're going to output this to the phone. So we have an f out, which is a file output stream. Okay, we need to delete this. Not delete it, but we need to say val. Is it val or? Because I don't think we. No, we do. Var file and file output stream with a file, argument of a file. Separate. Oh, this file. Okay. Equals this. There we go. Redundant. Okay, we can delete that then. Okay, this is redundant too then. Okay, so now we have our file stream output, and we're going to do bitmap.compress. Where's our? Oh no, I call it a bitmap. Bitmap.compress, and it's going to be a PNG format. Bitmap.compress format. .png. PNG is the way to go. Then 90 quality, and then f out, and then f out dot flush. So it looks like this compresses to this format using this and pushes it to that. Doesn't say what it does. So we force the flush of the stream, and then we f out close. E.print stack trace. So I think that's it for the screenshot. And so let's go. We did that now. Let's add a on select listener on our item. So we should call this something, this share button. Share. It's an image view. I like to use abbreviation for IDs like IV as image view, or if it's a button B underscore, and so it's like easy to recognize what it is. Like spinner, and then the name of the spinner, text view, the name TV. So image view, share, image. Share screenshot. So we go to our main activity and do image view.share screenshot.on click listener. So on click listener, we want to get the view, not its view, but like its parent view. No. Maybe I'll just get view. So we can do it dot get view. Root view. Maybe that's what we want. So that so now here, this is where we're going to get the screenshot. We're going to save the screenshot, and then we'll show like where it got saved to, and then we will do the share intent. So let's do that. So it'll be val bitmap map equals screenshot, and in it.root view, then val file equals save bitmap, which is our bitmap, and our file name, which will just say screenshot 1a1.png, like that. So now we have our file, and we can do print ln file saved, and this will be file.get absolute file, absolute path, and then we're going to create an intent. So var val URI equals URI dot from file, so file. Okay, not exactly this one. It's a file with file dot get absolute path. Okay, now we got the URI. Now we have to create an intent and share it. So var and share intent equals intent share intent dot set action action or action. Interesting. It's an intent. Create a new intent. Set action. Intent. Oh, maybe the intent needs to be in Alt Enter. Action. Proper syntax. Action. There we go. Equals intent. Dot action. Send. Cool. Share. This is cool. Share intent dot put extra. So intent dot extra text. Check out the screenshot. Check out this screenshot, and it says put extra share intent dot put extra intent extra stream. This is the URI, and then share intent dot set type, which will be a image. There's probably property access. There we go. Share intent dot add flags. What kind of flags are we adding? We're adding grant read URI permission intent dot flag grant read URI, and then start activity intent parse intent dot create chooser, and then be share intent share via. Okay, there we go. That's on select. And what else is there? I think that might be it. So let's try it. Okay. So the one thing that I think that may not be it is this it.review, but it could be, I don't know. Or maybe it's just it. wait until it kind of settles down a little bit. Ooh, crash. Let's see. Storage emulated screenshot 1. This is fatal exception. Exposed beyond app through clip art image URI strict mode file you are exposed. On click. File URI exposed exception. Let's Google that. Is that we on main? Do we have main on? No, let's turn it on. If you have an app that shares files with other using URI, you may have encountered this error for 24 plus. URIs are discouraged in this scenario. Read external permission. I don't know. Maybe it's, let's see what. Just is on the start activity. So if I can compare, we have the URI from file, get URI from file provider. Maybe that's what we need to do. We need to an entry manifest provider pass. Okay, let's try this out. Metadata, okay. Provider, file provider, application ID, file bar, exported false, permissions true. Oh, provider, this whole thing. In the manifest, that's inside the application, so it's inside here. So maybe like this. XML provider pass resource. So creating an XML provider pass. So let's do that. So in the resource XML, and then oh, we ran out of music. Let's get some more music going. Here we go. So in the resource, we want to create a new folder, XML, and a new file, XML file. It's going to be provider pass XML. Okay, and we will put this in here. Save that. So we did that. Now we change this to, this is set data type from your file type. In, not in here. So instead of this URI from file, we get the URI from this. Yeah, failed on that one, but we'll get to it. So we'll just comment this out for now, and then we'll do value apk URI. Is this even right? I don't know. File provider dot get URI from file. So context, comma, context dot get, what is it? Application context. Dot get package name. Is it package name? Plus dot provider. And then file, like that. Okay. We'll use that APK URI instead of this. Yeah, hopefully this helps. Let's try it out. We can delete this. So we can probably turn off the full. I'm gonna look on the side until it gets, hopefully that works, but looks right. Do we get that in? Yeah, that looks okay. So let's try it out. Let's look at our simulator. Press the share button. Hopefully it doesn't crash. Oh, look at that. New message. Test. 727 777 7777. Message failed to load attachment. No thanks. We can see if we can look for that screenshot. File not found. Storage emulated. Permission denied. What the heck? So let's do some more Googling. Turn main on. I think we got really close. read, right? Yeah. Allow backup. True. What do people say? You must implement runtime permissions before you do read write. Implement runtime permissions. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do something like this, I think. But with the special. Import Android package manager. Whoops. Import. This activity would be it context maybe. Application context. Yeah, I don't know about that one. Oh, here, Kotlin. This is what I want right here. What are these buttons? Dark code. Oh, click copy. Copy. Perfect. We're going to delete this. We're going to add this function below. Request permission request. Request code. My permission request. Is an app defined int. The callback method gets the result. Sample. We're going to a sample. App. Main. Not that one. Is it main activity? Request for permission. True permission and rational. Request contact permission.
Piss out your per diem, you just gotta hate them funk. If I quit your BM, I still rock Mercedes funk. If I quit this season, I still be the greatest funk. Right stroke, pull a baby in a spiral. Soprano C, we like to keep it on the high note. It's levels to it, you and I know. Bitch, be on. All up, bitches. All up, bitches.
Is permission granted? Press camera permission right here, and then there's show rationale, which that's probably in another function extension. Camera. I wonder what the show rationale is. Show rationale. Runtime permissions, extensions. Is permission granted? String. Check permission. This one's a little overboard. I want to go back to see if there's a simpler one. Basic. Request constant val, so it's something like val is 0. Results, package, permission granted, show snack bar, permission granted, permission denied. So, permission granted. Layout. Where's layout at? Oh, that's just the main activity view. Main activity. Main frame layout. that right? No, I don't think so. Activity. Main. So layout would be something like this. ID. Oh, okay. Activity main. What the heck is the difference? Oh, it's the ID is the main layout. Which is, what is it? Main frame layout. Main. Oop, I don't edit that. Main frame layout. Show snack bar. How do we get the show snack bar? Maybe there's a snack bar part of this guy right here, this layout, main layout. Main layout. Layout. No, linear layout. It's straightforward. Maybe I'm looking at the wrong one. Kotlin app. No. Anything that says snack bar? Nope. Layout dot show. I don't know.
If you could do more sprints, do more sprints. But when it's done, it's done. If you can't get up out of bed, that means that there's nothing in your life that is so important that you can't just get your ass up out of bed. You have nothing to live for, quite frankly. Because when you are moving towards something that's important to you, when you've got a big vision, you don't want to sit down.
Snack bar. I'm just going to look at it real quick. I kind of just want to see what it looks like.
Sleep is a waste of fucking time, right? And physiologically, of course, Elliot Hulse would say, well, you need sleep, it supports your hormones. But what I'm saying
Yeah, down there.
is your vision, your mission, your goal, the bigger picture, how you're going to support other people, what you're going to build, create, and offer to the world means
Show snack bar, make view. Okay. That's what we just do, like that. Snack bar.
you make that shit happen. You understand?
Snack bar. Come on. Snack bar. Dot make.
listen to his heart and to follow it, because it always leads to what is pleasing in the end. The fastest Band-Aid ripped off remedy is to do the thing you're afraid
Set up,
to do.
snack bar,
It may be difficult in the
text, yeah,
beginning,
that's okay.
It may be difficult for years, but you will die on your deathbed feeling a strong sense of integrity and loyalty.
I wonder if we can't
You can't buy that.
get the snack
You grow
bar.
stronger not for yourself in this mere moment.
It doesn't matter. I don't need to add this.
Stronger for your legacy, for those who might not never know your name.
We will just comment this out for now. And we will look at, so this would be request permissions. On request permission, request camera position, and so in here there's a request permission compact. Oh, we're on request permission result. Okay. Toast dot short make text view or layout test 100,000 or context toast dot short permission granted and doing the save stuff, but we don't. Yeah. Permission denied. We can delete these guys. Not show camera request camera permission. Is that something we need? Something like this. Request, not camera permission, but write permission. Should show request permission rationale compact. Where is this? Define. Okay. Let's go to where that is. Maybe we can add them here. There we go. We won't do the snack bar. but we will do request permission though. Permission. Okay, so that was the one thing that we had. My permissions request read contacts. Now this is write file. We want it to refactor. Write file. And then we'll use this right here. And like that. We'll delete this. And it won't be camera, it will be write. I think write file. Write settings, write external storage. Maybe even read external storage too, I don't remember. Let's look at the storage. If we can find that in here. Yeah, no, it probably isn't. Files. Images. SD card? Nope, nothing in there. Okay, yeah. Let's try that. And then request write permissions.
Take a step back.
We're here. And this is probably where we do our down here. Well, yeah. I wonder if this returns back anything. Reuse request. Nope. Let's try that though. Oh, we hit 101 hour and 10 minutes. With permissions things. I think we're close, but I don't think this is the cleanest way because it just asks for permissions. If it's denied, we won't probably be able to do it.
Take a step back.
Permission denied. File not found. There's any other areas? File saved. Is this a file saved? I wonder if there's a way to view this actual storage. I think. Yeah, I don't know where the storage is. This actually was saved because it says it's saved. File saved. Do I have full? Yeah. So Android emulator, storage. Settings, memory. Not that. Read and write. Runtime permissions. Yeah. wish there was an easy way to tell if we got added files. Nope. Reset, no. Name, nope. Output. Save bitmap. This file. So let's look for Android runtime permissions writing a file. Android, does that help at all? There we go, this might be what we want. I think we do request permission. Request write permission. Writing to external storage. Let's try this. I think we tried this. This would be context. Get activity.
Yeah, I ain't signing no deals. I ain't signing no papers. Could give a fuck what y'all think. That I have to wait until later. I'm on a road to success.
Activity.
My mama told me I'm blessed. My music is meditation therapy. I'm never stressed. I made my own rules, nigga. I can do what I want. Ain't need no race across the finish line to know that I won. I got some haters in the background wishing I lost. Battle rappers on the sideline doing the toss.
Get activity.
Either way the toss go, I be on my boss mode. Dodging press.
Calling activity. Looked like that was maybe it. Calling activity. Hmm. Oh, you cast it to an activity. No, I think it's context within casting it to activity. Like that. Or it's context, and this is the casting as activity. Not read context, but it's write to a file, write to external storage. I think probably similar to read. Read file. Read external storage. Let's try that. I'm gonna try this and then call it. Probably enough for today. Once it's done crunching numbers, let's try this. Does not seem like you can request only one set of permissions at a time. Oh. Let's do comment this out for now. Let's try it. That may be why we're getting to be honest, I think that we're actually going a little too quick, because we want to wait until we know it's granted to actually do something. Then we see read context right there. So we can probably okay, allow.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take this?
Okay, let's try that. Bam! Oh yes! Look at that! Bam! That is top notch right there. Let's go to the file storage. Images. I don't know where it's saved, but it's definitely saved somewhere. We're getting pretty darn close. Yeah, I like it. Save it. We'll save it to the message. So we can view it. I just wanted to know I didn't want to go to that. I'm gonna move this down here. Okay, jump right in. No. There we go. Okay, got it. That looks really good, actually. I think. It's okay. It's not perfect, but it, you know what? We're gonna change this to 100%. When we save it, it's gotta be 100. It's gotta be 100. Compress quality. You just can't, we can't lose our distortion. Document image 46 details. Yeah, so we have successfully, I would say, handle feature to send to friends, not send to friends, to email. But it's not optimized right here. So that is pretty cool. Well, it's a little permissions thing. I'm not sure if that's 100%, but we'll work on that. To fix permissions, fix permissions, smoothness. But other than that, I think what we're going to do is say done, saying we have taken a screenshot and saved it to a file, and the ability to send text message. Or other